Welcome to part 2, guys. Let's go. Don't mind the sounds. My nanny and my brother came into the room. Okay, so don't mind it. They're playing in here because I'm in the toys room. Oh my. Okay, I got the stuff, guys. Here, 2 bags, and I have 2 bags more here. 1 and 2 and 3. Zainab, this is for you. Oh my god, this feels so much better. Yara, this is for you. Oh, that feels better. This feels so much better. Okay, this is for you. Thanks. I couldn't find anything for you. Really? You couldn't find anything? Well, I'm so mad right now. Well, we don't care. We have to go. Oh my god, he's going crazy. Okay, whoever can take the bag. I'm taking this one. Of course you will. Hey! Wait, we have to pack some clothes too. Okay, let's go. I'm taking this one. No. I'm taking this one. I'll be taking this one for the babies. How about me? Oh, this one's yours. Me and Mommy will be using the same one. Really? I get a holding bag? Well, take your stuff now and leave. Come on, kids, quickly. Okay, I'll just put my stuff in the bag. Me too. Can you put my blanket with you? I can't fit it. Of course, now I have the biggest bag. Here, take yours. My phone. The heater will be coming in my bag, so it becomes heated. Okay, kids, quickly take your PJs. Let me go pack first. Him. My PJ. These are the only important stuff, and my phone. These are the only things I actually care about. Now I need to take this and my favorite chips. I'm finally done. Where's Chihuahua? Here he is. Chihuahua! I call him Chihuahua. I like the name. But now me and your father and Zainab and Yara have to go and pack. And the babies. Bye. Here's Doggy. All in the elevator. Dun, dun, dun. The elevator will stop working after 5 minutes. The elevator will stop working after 5 minutes. The snow is too much to bear. Ding dong ding. Oh no! I'm going first. I'm going second. Okay, let's go. Okay, I'll be packing the kids. Okay, don't forget to pack everything they have. I'll be packing our stuff. Good thing I have this. My favorite dress. Perfect. This baby's car seat. Oh, don't cry. Oh no, this doesn't fit. Oh my god. I guess some stuff should be outside. They have already bags. Why do I have this? Put everything, I guess. This literally fits in their bags. Bro, I'll just put them in their bags. This one doesn't fit. I guess I'll just be holding them. Come on, Ma! Okay, I'm here, okay? Get the baby. Don't cry, baby. Let's go. Zainab, Yara, are you done yet? No, I'm still not done. My iPad. I can't forget my iPad. My camera, my iPad, my favorite teddy, my PJs. Wait a minute. How's this back here? Let's change it back, guys.
Le. Le. Le tayo ble.
My diary. My wallet, because it has all my savings. Wait, I can't forget. I have to take my cloth. Perfect. And I'm done. I'm just gonna put that up there. Wait, I still have my clothes. Oh no, my bag is full. I'll just have to save this. Oh, here are the clothes, so I can put them and fold them on top of each other. Perfect. My favorite thing. Wait, this one's even warmer. I don't need this stuff. Oh my god. Finally, we're gonna get out of this house. Wait a minute. Mom! What? We forgot about Grandma. She lives right next door. Grandma already went into her basement. How about us? We can't go into her basement. Why? She has a tiny basement. Guys, we have to get the dog food. Put it in your bag. Okay. Placed it. Doggy, come. Everyone is holding something. Why can't? I'll just put Chihuahua in there. Chihuahua. How should I hold you, Chihuahua? You're my tiny little baby. I'll just put you in my bag. Because you're tiny. Now we have to go, Mom. Quickly. Kids, out of the door. But it's too foggy. I don't care. We can't hold a flashlight. Go. We have to go to any shelter that's really stable. Yeah, where should we go? Two, buckle my suit, 3, 4, open the door. Where are we going? Come, I know a secret place. Okay. Where is it now? Keep on going straight. In here. Jump. Wait. Wait, another one of these. Who wants to keep her? Me. No, I'm taking her then. Come on, jump down. I'll close the hatch after you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, go. Okay. Jumped. 5. My turn. Jump. Whoa. Yeah, we already made it in here. Yeah, I know. I know this place. My friend used to always come here. Your friend? My friend, Stacy. She lives around here. This place is pretty far from home. You can clearly sit here. Let me just get her out. Where is that little baby? There she is. What a cute baby. She can be friends. Aw, they're cute little friends. Don't you dare say what I literally not told you never to say. Fine. 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 I'm not gonna say the G word. The G curated word and the B curated word from you, Mom. Not even the B actual word. Well, you don't dare to say any of those. Fine, Mommy. You two can sit right on here. Cuties. We have to fix up. This place has lots of junk. Okay. At first, everyone put their stuff down. This carton box, we can put everything inside, even this. We have to throw them out from the hole. I have this hole into here. We must live here for 5 whole days. 5! Come on, get to work and help. Come on, complete. Take out all the junk. Oh my god, a skateboard. Froze. Me? Ah, good girl. Whoa. Whoa. Pretend I throw you out of the hole. Froze. How about just we put it in there? Froze. Froze. I'm gonna throw these. I'm coming with you. 3, 2, 1. Froze. A little toy. I could give it to your little bro. To your little sis. Here, you can have this. Oh, he's having fun. Let's take all the clothes now. There's so much clothes. Here. There's masks. Those will be useful later. Maybe sit here. No, to the other side. I'll just sit next to you. You made me like a little crouch. I'm almost done. This mask might be useful. What? We only have 4 of them. That won't be enough. Froze camera. Camera shatters. Oh, that's none of my business. You're right. Let's make this place a beautiful place. Okay, can you move a little bit? We didn't get the dog bed. We don't care. Okay, I'll just be waiting here. I guess. You're so cute. Will you help? Nope. Wait, the baby. Get her. Oops. Let me start. Oh, that's Mom and Dad's phone. Mommy's. It did. Oh, there's something here missing. see, guys, what Tokaboka is doing? Mom's keys. That's mom's. Perfect. Now my turn. I have so many combs. My hairbrush. I guess my place could be this one. Hey, I wanted that one. Well, I don't care. I'm choosing this one. Wait, is there a sleeping bag? I have to go buy one. I'll just put it here on the table. For now, put my diary, my this, my this, my this, my clothes, my favorite. Do you like it? This is so cool. It's okay that you didn't put it next to yours. I know, but it's getting pretty light. I see the light fading. Wait. It's so dark. Is this all the light we have? Yeah, I'm just gonna put this next to us a little bit because it has some light. See, it does have some light. We have to go get some light. I know, I'm just gonna keep this here. Guys, me and Yara, I'm gonna go out to the nearby like shop and get some light, some beds and stuff. Okay, be safe. You too. You have to go. Yeah, let's close it. Closed it. Let's go. Let's hop this fence so we can make it. We're almost there. We're almost there. We have to make it. It's so cold outside. It's literally still snowing. Oh my god. Do you see all that fog outside? I know it's not snowing when I said it. Same. Oh my god. Oh my god. We have to find some beds right now. Or else what? Or else we might not even sleep to the night. Dun dun dun. Emergency, emergencies. The storm has been seen very strong. Everyone stay inside. Ding dong ding. Everyone. Get inside. Even if you're shopping for supplies. How bad is it? Get this bag. Okay. We'll be needing it. Put this inside. Oh my, take it. Fine. We need some light now. ASAP. Oh, this is some light. See? Oh, get them all if you see some. Get every single one of them. These are the only lights we have. Oh, another one. Yeah, put it inside the bag. This is why I got the bag. Oh. Come on, keep on getting every single one. A poor little cat. I'll be holding her. I could take her home. Light. Oh, great job. Keep on saying that, then I'll find it. Oh my god, the lights went out. What should we do? I'll just turn this on. We need some candles. Oh, some candles. Get them. A candle. A lamp.